Today we're traveling from Tokyo to Niseko for snowboarding and skiing. We'll cover three phases. Phase 1 is transportation from the hotel to Tokyo's Haneda Airport. Phase 2 is the flight from Tokyo to Sapporo's new Chitose Airport. And Phase 3 is transportation from new Chitose Airport to Niseko Village for snowboarding and skiing. So, Phase 1 transportation from Hilton Yokohama Hotel to Tokyo's Haneda Airport. This is the only time we took a taxi while in Japan, and it's because our flight was mad early. The taxi was about 14,000 yen or $90, which is crazy for about an hour ride to the airport, considering the train or bus would have been a fraction of the cost. I think a better option is to take the bus to the airport, and if you're not leaving very early, then just take the train. Here we are at Haneda Airport in Tokyo. Phase 2, flight from Tokyo to Sapporo's new Chitose Airport. If you have luggage, AirDo is the best domestic carrier to use. You can check in as many bags as you want for free. My suitcase and snowboard bag both flew for free. This was our aircraft. We flew in style and the service was pretty good. I will definitely be booking again with AirDo. And here's that famous welcome sign at New Chitose Airport. Phase 3, transportation from New Chitose Airport to Niseko Village for snowboarding and skiing. There are several transportation options. Number 1 is by car, number 2 by train, and number 3 by bus. Depending on which option you choose, you could be dropping $400+ or $30. If we went by car in that we booked a taxi, it would have cost us $400. $400, y'all. That's mad crazy. At that point, I might as well have stayed in Yokohama and enjoyed another week there. This was an absolute no. If we went by train, we would also have had to take the bus to get to our final destination, and we weren't trying to do all that. Plus, you also have to get the timing just right from when your plane arrives to when the train leaves. The simplest and cheapest option is to take the bus, y'all. We used the Hokkaido Resort Liner, or HRL. This pamphlet is from last season, but it has all the necessary info to get you started. First is the reservation. Seats are limited, so make sure you book early. There were people in distraught at how much they were going to have to pay to get from the airport to Niseko. People didn't realize that getting a taxi was $400. I say the best method to book is to call them or book online. But don't wait till you get to the airport because all the seats might be taken. But it's also good to know that they do have booths at the airport for last minute bookings and any help you might need. Take a screenshot if you need to save the details. Number 2 are the details of your ride. They service several areas. We're going to Niseko, so we stay on the first page. And then we're going from New Chitose Airport to Niseko. We skip Rusutsu details and go to Niseko details. It cost us 5,000 yen each for the bus ride. At that time, that was about $33. Third, it's to confirm that your hotel is listed in the arrival section so you can be dropped off right in front of your hotel. We're going to Hilton Niseko Village, and here are the arrival times. Also equally important is to check if you can depart directly from your hotel when traveling back to Sapporo's new Chitose Airport. We are good here, and definitely double check the times and compare with your plane schedule. Here's what the Hokkaido Resort Liner booths look like at the airport. There are several other bus lines that you can also use. When it's time to leave, they lined us up into a single file line like in grade school, then walked us out to the bus. They loaded our bags under the bus, then we boarded for the 2-hour drive to Niseko. It was a nice ride with magnificent views of Mount Yodi as we got closer and closer to Niseko. About midway through the ride, the bus stops in a small town for people to take a bathroom break and get food. There was no compromise on departure. If you weren't in the bus at 12:15, you were gonna be left. It was kinda creepy, I'm not gonna lie. This is what the place looked like. I went straight to the bathroom. But you know female bathrooms. There was a long waiting line, so by the time I used the bathroom and came back out to the restaurant part, I only had like 10 minutes. Hindsight 2020, I should have gone directly to order my food because they make it fresh per order. And while they were cooking my food, I should have gone to use the bathroom. Well, I'll do that next time. So I just picked up some random snacks. We are back in the bus for the second half of the drive. The bus dropped us off right at the front of our hotel. It was really nice. And yeah, let the fun begin. Make sure you check out the next video about which hotel to stay at while in Niseko, Hokkaido. Don't forget to like, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.